Hello again. We will be discussing general education and how to look for general education classes on the class schedule search. General education is an opportunity for students to take classes outside of their major so they can be well-rounded. What you see on your screen is a list of different topics on the general education pattern. You'll see English and math. Oral communication looks at how people communicate with each other, so you'll find classes like public speaking. You see arts and humanities, so you'll be studying um, areas in music or history or languages. There's social sciences, so that includes classes like psychology and sociology. There's the natural sciences, which include biology and chemistry. And then there's our ethnic studies and multicultural gender studies, which looks at the study of different people groups. So Asian American studies, Black studies, or Chicano studies. Each of you will be taking classes from these different areas throughout your time at SBCC, especially if your goal is to get an associate's degree or if you want to transfer. This semester, you'll be taking one of those general education classes. And so if you can, on the Think About It form, identify which one of these areas sounds unique and interesting to you that you would like to take for your first semester, and go ahead and let us know that. Now, one more thing that I wanted to point out is on the right-hand side, you'll notice that it says placeholders. You'll see that it says IGETC. This is our general education pattern for transfer. And what that means is that we are not, as counselors, going to choose the specific general education class you have to take. By you identifying which area you're interested for your first semester, that's enough for us to put on your plan as a placeholder. And so let me show you what that means. So when we go to the class schedule search, you're going to see right here on the left-hand side, Joe Vaccaro has his first semester plan in Starfish. Now, one of the classes that every student has to take is English 110, and that is our English composition class. So on the right-hand side, when Joe Vaccaro goes looking for his class schedule, he is going to look under the subject for English, and he knows that it's English 110 composition, so he'll type that in, he'll press search, and what he'll get is a list of English 110 sections, and it'll have a whole bunch of different options for different times and different modalities, whether it's online or on campus. And Joe Vaccaro will have to choose which English 110 class he will want to take. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll also see that Joe Vaccaro has chosen to take a social science, and I get the area for general ed. And so what Joe Vaccaro is going to do is he's going to look on the class schedule, but I get the area for social science is not a specific class. It's just a topic of classes. And so he's going to search for that class under attributes, and he's going to identify I get the area for, and then press search. And what he's going to find is once he presses search, he's going to get a list of classes that fulfill I get area 4. So he'll find classes like anthropology, psychology, sociology, political science. And so Joe Vaccaro will look through the list of different classes that fulfill I get area 4 and choose whatever interests him.